What are we doing today?
Well, if you'd like to follow me, I will tell you what is on my Corsa D. Right. As you can see here, this is my back window. I do not have a wiper because in England it never rains. We've been in a heat wave for a good, well, it's finished now actually, isn't it? We've rained, hence the watermarks, but panda.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, got this nice panda sticker. Me and Katie both have one. Look. We got that from Broke Boys at the Farm 2.
Yeah,
Two.
Deja Mu.
No.
Yeah, it was Broke Boys at the Farm Deja Mu.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh. I also have this static sticker because, as you can see, static. As I was saying, we can forget about the D badge because I did not realise that the boot had been resprayed before I owned it. So I took the badge off and there's a nice ridge.
You can't really see it too much on the camera, to be honest.
I wrapped the boot handle, make it black, because black just is cool. Oh, actually I forgot about this, you come back up here, brake light says SRI, because I'm cool.
Don't know how well we can see that on the camera.
No.
Yeah, we can just make it out. Yeah, we can see it out.
I like that.
That's nice little eBay buy from your girlfriend, wasn't it?
Actually, and as we come further down, we have a, I never remember the name, it's Scorpion, I believe. Scorpion back box delete. And as this is a
Was it Scorpion Venom?
Scorpion Venom, yeah. And literally it's just a bit of pipe with a tip on it. I think this is the 4-inch rolled, I believe, or 3.5 maybe. But because it's a 1.4, it's still got the noodle box, so it's loud, like it is very loud, but it doesn't pop and bang, which did make me cry. Most nights when I try and sleep, but I can get over that because the new car is. But yeah, Katie bought me these lovely gel plates. As you can see, it says matte, which wasn't planned. It just
right. What about the PDX? What does that stand for?
People don't X-ray.
Okay.
Yes. Nice factory tinted lights. We've tried to tint them.
But
and
never again.
No, because I don't like this corner here, to be honest with you. It's not nice. Fuel cap. It's locked because the car's locked, but it takes petrol. I have wheels.
Yeah.
4 of them.
That's good.
And I made these red because I had some red paint left over and I thought, why not? I got nothing else to do, so yeah. Lowered, can't even get my hand in there, look at that. Whoa, cool, blimey. The shoe test, absolutely nothing. These were a very cheap buy, to be honest. It was a spur of the moment. I thought, you know what, I might get some of that rubber stuff to put on the side, see what it looks like. I know it's not the best, but I didn't want to spend like, what is it, like 140 quid or whatever.
Proper side skirts.
Plastic ones, which means I've got a jacket up, I've got to drill into it.
And the good thing is with the rubber, if someone's not used to driving a lowered car, a bit of rubber ain't going to cost you as much as...
Yeah, and also just peeling it off.
Yeah.
Otherwise I'd be left with holes everywhere, but this just, whoop, it's off. As you can see, I've done this white splatter effect, or should I say the pigeons have done the white splatter effect.
It makes you go faster.
It does. It does now. It does.
So this is the 1.4 limited edition, isn't it?
No, Katie. It's not a limited edition. Oh, I'm not talking anymore. Right. Camera, follow me. Wind deflectors, Team Hecko, good ones, with a nice red pinstripe, which I did myself. Wing mirrors helps me see behind me. They are black, but many things have hit them, and many paint splatters and shit has happened to it, like white. Nothing on my car is white, but I have white paint splatters, don't know why. Tinted indicators did that. Well, I didn't know, I just bought them. Cobweb, for some reason. Same on the front, tucked a little bit more, I suppose, in a way, but it's not, but yeah. And then follow me around to the Care Visitor. Remember the hedgehog thing as well, look.
What, we're not going to way over there?
We want a good picture, come back.
Yeah, I've got it here, I can see the whole car here.
I'll come back in there. Eyebrows, because every man's eyebrows need to be on fleek. So why shouldn't the Corsas? Red pinstriping again, gone a bit bubbly, but I suppose that's just the heat. But my favourite thing of the whole car is definitely the yellow headlights. We took 2 attempts to do them, but it's sick. And then Opel grille, as you would have seen in another video how we installed that, or go check it out. Just go and have a look.
We'll put the description in the link below.
Corsa with this facelift design, get it. If you can actually find the grill, I'd say get it. It's pretty easy, just snap the clips off the old one and put the new one on. Again, front splitter.
Which is the same stuff as the side skirts, isn't it?
But this is probably about my 4 because I kept changing my mind on how I wanted it to look. So I kept peeling one off and then redesigning it. But I quite like it.
So this is 2, isn't it?
Yeah, this is actually 2 stuck together. But it's drooped down a bit, but it is 2 years old now, this spur.
Yeah.
So I'm not really fussed anyway, but it's coming off. Oh, razor. We've got this nice sun strip here. Adrenaline.
But
Like,
she's always been lovely to both of us, hasn't she?
But you get all the hate, don't you? Like, oh, it's a Corsa. But she doesn't care what it is.
Nah.
She thinks it's a sick little Corsa.
Shout out, I don't know her name. Do you know her name? I'm really bad, but just go check Adrenaline out.
On Instagram, they do sick photos of like anything, basically.
Check it out, she's a lovely girl,
Yeah.
but I just don't know her name.
If you look over there, that's my best bud from Broke Boys.
What's his name? Come on, I know what it is.
I don't. Dan?
Yes.
Dan. Yes.
And Mike's the other one.
Mike. Well, Mike's funny though. If you ever go and watch Broke Boys and Chill, he's fucking hilarious.
He's brilliant,
And
isn't
he's always
he?
got beer. He always,
Yeah.
he always has a beer with him as well. Oh, I forgot these actually. Fog lights, they're yellow as well. Because I had some yellow tint left over.
And we did try and wrap these,
We
didn't
tried
we?
to
But
wrap
they were
them,
just too
but
much
I cut
hassle,
it.
really.
Well, it weren't that hard to be honest. It's just quite tight to get a knife in. So I gave up on them. So I ain't pulling it all out because I can't be arsed. The other side's pretty much the same to be honest, isn't it?
Yeah. I have a few questions for you. It was just, obviously you're getting rid of this car.
I am.
But what's been your favourite things about it? Like what, would you recommend people to get them?
Yeah. I definitely would recommend to get them. Like obviously, my first car was a silver Corsa, but older, still a D, but it was like the first D, if you know what I mean. And I loved that. I lowered it and exhausted it, but that was about it. But I got this one, and it's done me well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I always say I hate it, it's a Corsa. Because you don't, I'm not gonna lie, you don't get attention from anywhere. Like,
No.
you drive into a show and people just look at you and carry on. Like, you can have the best car there, because it's a Corsa, they think you're a twat. But it's not, the people that twats the Fiestas.
I don't know. What's your favourite thing?
Headlights.
Yellow headlights.
I'd say maybe the front. Now I've got the grille, the front in general, because just look how low it is. Like,
Yeah.
See how low that is. It does look pretty sick.
No, it is a really nice car,
But
and it will be sad to see it go.
Yeah, I'm always like, can't wait to get rid of it, but I'll probably drive.
Yeah.
Like, genuinely drive, I'm not even gonna go. But I do like, and I know some people really like to drive, to be honest.
Yeah.
But it's all them snidey people, and it's normally the ones who like just past their test. Mum and Dad have bought them a little Fiesta Eco Boost, and they're ragging it around with a little fart gun every time they change gear, and they're just a bit of an irritating bastard, really, aren't they? They're the new like Corsa ones, aren't they? You know, all the stereotype of picking up little kids. That's the Fiestas now, little Pilos. But anyway.
But that's pretty much the Corsa Tour.
On the inside, I've only got a radio pretty much.
Yeah, it's only a doubled-in stereo,
I ain't
isn't
bothered
it?
with the inside, 'cause I bought bucket seats for it, and I never put them in.
No.
Like I bought the brackets, everything for them. I just never put them in.
No. But I think that's it, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it. I am gonna make it. Oh, stubby aerial.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, got a little stubby aerial.
Oh yes.
That's cute. But it's going to be emotional. Oh, Instagrams, yeah, got that sticker.
But there's no
It
point
won't,
really
no.
showing it because it won't.
I'll keep that bit, so you just have to find out what the next word is. But
Dun, dun, dun. Shout out, I already know.
well, I hope you do.
But yes, that's it.
So,
And
yeah.
you know what? Can I just say the course is red? It might look bright orange
It's
on
not.
camera,
It's
which actually looks
racing
quite
red or
nice.
whatever
Look
it's
at
called.
how orange it looks.
That does look pretty snazzy, actually.
But it is actually, is it race? What did you say?
I think it's red or
Race
or
red.
fire, I don't know.
But
They have
yeah.
silly names, don't they?
So goodbye.
Goodbye, my lover.